Hundreds of Taguig residents evacuate to safety. The highways are littered with rubble from collapsed infrastructure. On the streets lie bodies of injured workers from nearby establishments. This is the scenario expected to happen in Bonifacio Global City, one of Metro Manila's business centers, when a 7.2 magnitude earthquake strikes. Thankfully, this is just a drill. Taguig serves as the main staging area for the nationwide simultaneous earthquake drill. The scenario is based on the movement of the West Valley Fault, which traverses the National Capital Region. Various studies say Metro Manila is expected to incur heavy infrastructure damage and mass casualties if the West Valley Fault moves. Taguig's responders do high-angle rescue. Medical emergencies, and peace and order exercises to prove their capability. Philippine Disaster Management Chief Alexander Pama says the drills aim to strengthen communication lines between government agencies and raise awareness on disaster preparedness.
Kahit buong Metro Manila kunyari na magre-respond, kung hindi nagkakaintindihan, lalo lang magulo. Kaya yung sistema napaka-importante. Kaya natin ginagawa to, maitulak sa kaalaman ng ating mga kababayan na pag nangyari yan, huwag magpanik, meron tayong sistema, makipag-ugnayan sa ating mga barangay officials.
Various drills are also held in schools and government offices in cities like Makati and Marikina, and provinces like Laguna, Sorsogon, Iloilo, and Bukidnon across the country. Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology Director Renato Solidum says there is no need to fear natural hazards if we are prepared.
Dito po natin pinapakita na ang mga faults ay hindi dapat katakutan. Ang lindol ay hindi dapat katakutan. Kung ito ay maunawaan natin, ano mga panganib na idudulot nito, magiging kalmado tayo kung tayo ay naghahanda at alam na natin ang paghahanda, ano ang kailangan gawin.
The nationwide earthquake drill comes a week before the first Metro Manila-wide quake drill set for July 30. It will follow the same West Valley Fault scenario. The nationwide simultaneous earthquake drill gives the public an important message. Though different government units have the capacity to respond to major disasters, it is our readiness that will define our resiliency. When an earthquake strikes, our preparedness will be key to our survival. David Lozada, Rappler, Taguig.